Gurucharan Tirth is an energetic meditation center. This is India's and probably world's first exclusive Dhyaan Kendra, which has been designed following the science of earth and sky energy. 52 positive charge petals, which have been designed in different layers, are accumulating the cosmic energy, and via special cables, these collected energies are discharged into the central Gurucharan Paduka. Similarly, earth, which acts as a negative charge, becomes an antenna and accumulates the telluric energy. The natural clear quartz Paduka acts as an insulator resistor which absorbs this earth and sky energy and becomes a battery that radiates the power upward to the lower and upper meditation levels, creating a resonance. People sitting inside these meditation centers get this continuous power of reverberating energy as a source for meditation, which acts as a catalyst to enhance the reflective and introspective capabilities. Along with this earth and sky chimney, this particular Charan Paduka building near Pune has been designed keeping in mind the exact placement of Paduka on the power spot, which follows the science of geobiology, bringing the powerful morphogenic energy of Gurudev upwards into the structure, thereby increasing the aura of divinity. Gurucharan Tirth is a dielectric building whereby using no steel or ferrous material, which is harvesting potential difference between the sky and the earth. Finally, we can call this building as a capacitor which stores this energy forever, and as long as the cosmos exists, this extraordinary phenomena will continue like a never-ending energetic process for spiritual enlightenment.